Hey Journeymore, we are about to do the House Hallow Falls Trail near Mount Pleasant, Tennessee. So we're pretty excited to explore a little more in our backyard.
Yes, it's only 1.7 miles and it's an out and back trail. It's a little chilly today, so we'll see what happens.
Let's go.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now. I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. We could have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me.
We are getting close to the waterfall. This trail has been super short and super easy. It's just been a little bit icy today. We got to see it from up top first. Looks beautiful, so now we are pumped to see it from the bottom. So let's go.
I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. Some gates never get to open 'cause it's too late. I could be the one who saves you from this place. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me, find me, find me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down.
Hey everybody, so we just got done with the House Hallow Falls Trail down near Monteagle, Tennessee, and it was honestly a lot better than what I anticipated. Being such a short trail at only 1.7 miles total, a lot of the times it's, hard work gets a lot of reward, and so little work doesn't get as much, but this waterfall really was beautiful.
Yes.
And I'd say definitely worth it if you're in Middle Tennessee.
Absolutely.
Yes, because from anywhere in Middle Tennessee, it's going to be about an hour, maybe hour and a half at most. So this one, and then also Jackson Falls and a few others in this area are great spots for like a good day trek. Come do them all.
Yes. I want to emphasize on how easy it is. Seriously, it's so easy. It was a little slick today because it was cold and wet. However, It was still pretty decent, and the fall is beautiful, large, tall, and you can look out from the top of it and look over, as well as go around down to the bottom. And then in the summer, I think it would be super great to like get your feet wet because it's pretty shallow once you get towards the falls, and then I think it's deeper like in the fall. So fantastic hike. And on the falls you can also get up around the ridge and get behind the waterfall too, which is pretty neat. True. So just a lot of neat things about this waterfall. Yeah, really cool. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like it and then also subscribe. We've got new videos every week. We don't want you guys to miss out on those. And yeah, come journey more with us, and we'll see you next time.